Hi guys, welcome to Honest, Straightforward Reviews, where you get unbiased and unfunded reviews. Hi guys, today I'll be looking at the Apple Watch SE that just got released. I got mine today. I'll be unboxing it for you today. Now, the difference between getting this in store and online is the online one comes in a seal, whereas the in-store one, they just do it at the back for you and bring it out. Now, this is a 44mm and it comes in a aluminium gold case. All right. And I've got the braided, non-braided one for this one, the Solo Loop, the new one that they've released. Okay, so the difference basically, since I think series 4-ish, they've changed these to these boxes. No longer the square box. Okay, so that's basically there. It's really nice. That's the Solo Loop, which I'll be opening up as well for you guys. Let's open this up for you. Okay, that's pretty standard. Nothing else in here. It's got some of the paperwork in here as well. Okay, feels nice and bulky here. I don't know if there's something supposed to be here. Comes to choose the complimentary watch face, touch and hold the watch display, or open Apple Watch app on your iPhone and tap the face gallery. Okay, so apparently this comes with a special kind of face that is only exclusive to this. Now, I'm going to try and do this without wrecking. Okay, that was easy. Okay, so it's got a bit of a different feel to the normal one, and it is quite stretchy as well. So, I don't know. This is a size 10. I've got a size 10 here. So I'll see how I go. I guess I'll. So far, so good. It feels good. I really like the. All right, now, I don't know about the. It feels a bit different than the normal sports bands. This feels a bit softer. So I'll let you guys know how I go in regards to doing a review on this. Stay tuned for that in this channel. I'll be doing that in about 2 weeks time from today, and that's my normal way I do things. I like to try whatever I review for about 2 weeks at least. Okay, opening it up exactly the same as last year's, so nothing much that has changed. That's basically it. Now, if you guys are using iOS 13.7 or whatever, iOS 13, not iOS 14, just be mindful you'll need to update your iPhone to be able to use this. So that's just a standard magnetic wire. And this year they've also gone cheaper as well. They've taken the soft cloth covering. At the end of this video, I'll include my unboxing of the Series 5 and Series 4, and you guys will notice that there was a nice soft kind of velvety cloth that was around it, and they've taken that out and put some cheap kind of just paper, you know. Anyways, that's the watch. That's the SE. That's what all the fuss is about. I like the little etching there in gold as well. Or nah, that's in silver, but it shines like it's as if it's gold. It's the same size as the other one. All right, now let's put this on so it's not got a right or wrong way. Obviously not putting it the other way around, but what I meant was like put that there. Okay, that's basically it. All right, guys, thanks for watching this unboxing. Stay tuned for the review, and if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you loved it, comments would be appreciated as well. All right, take care. Bye.